Hi guys, this is Saddam Hussain and welcome to my channel A to Z English Skills. Today's topic is past indefinite tense. So stay tuned with this video to see what is there in the past indefinite tense, why to learn this tense. So let's get started. Past indefinite shows an action that occurred in past. As we learned in present indefinite, we learned that present indefinite tense shows habitual actions or repeated actions, but it doesn't happen in past indefinite tense. For the daily routine and habitual actions of past, we use a structure. Its name is used to. I will describe used to as well and tell the difference between used to and past indefinite tense in the end, so stay tuned with this video. Its helping verb is did. Its structure is subject plus second form of verb plus object. We add not after helping verb to make it a negative, and helping verb comes before subject to form an interrogative sentence. Just like present indefinite tense, in the past indefinite tense, we don't use helping verb in affirmative sentence. Let's see the examples to understand it briefly. He came here yesterday. We didn't write any complaint. Did plus not becomes didn't, or sometimes we say it didn't or didn't. Its interrogative is just like that. Did they arrange a party? Its indicators are yesterday, years, months, days and hours ago, in past year, in last week, last month, last year, etc. In advanced level, we also use past indefinite in the past time duration. Just like that, see the example. I lived in Baku for 2 years. I learned riding when I was a child. I played cricket for 1 hour. Don't go anywhere, used to is remaining. Let's have a glance at used to. See what's the difference between used to and past indefinite. Past indefinite shows an action that occurred once in a past that we are describing. But used to shows past habitual actions, past daily routine. Its structure is subject plus used to plus first form of verb plus object. Let's see its examples to understand it briefly. I used to play hide and seek in my childhood. See, in my childhood. This expression shows that this action didn't happen once. It used to happen in my childhood regularly. Did your mother used to beat you when you were a child? Etc. That's all about past indefinite and used to. If you have any query regarding past indefinite and used to, just drop a comment below.